So here's your first look at a real and fake pair of the LAMINE YAMAL F50. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this video helps you. Let's dive into the comparison. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a real and fake pair of probably the rarest pair in my collection. It's the LAMINE YAMAL F50 signature pair in pink. There are 304 pairs of them in the world. This is the real one here, this is the fake one. This is just to help you at home if you are trying to authenticate your pair. Very expensive pair, you don't want to get it wrong, so I must emphasize it does not support the counterfeit industry in any way, just to help you at home if you're trying to purchase a retail pair. So let's get straight into the comparison. So first thing to note, retail one comes in this limited collection box. This is the old limited collection box. They've actually updated this to like a harder one now, which I wish they'd done for this one. But this is the old one which released. Here is a look at the LAMINE YAMAL label at the side here. Just pause the screen here so you can check this against the one that you have at home, or if you're looking to buy one, compare it to this label here. This is the UK label. So this is a size UK 9.5. Actually not my size, I wish I got them in a UK 10. But this was the best price at the time, so I managed to pick them up. Paid resale for them. I think I paid about £600, so you can see it's an expensive pair of boots. But we'll unbox this, then we'll take a look at the fakes. So slides open like this. Does come with a number of accessories. So obviously it's a laceless boot, so you do get the Adidas shoe horn with it. It's just in a black. Wish they'd done a little bit of detailing on this, but they didn't. Then you get the spare set of insoles. This I believe is the comfort insoles. They come with the speed insoles inside. This is the comfort one, which has the logo right there at the back. Everything else is just like a lilac colour. So move them to the side. Also get a lovely boot bag in the pink colour. The F50 on front is also in the pink, and then the drawstrings on the side are in that lilac purple. And then here we have the boots, and they're absolutely spectacular. Unbox them, check those out. What a nice colour, and also the sole plate is spectacular. This is the retail one here, as you can see. The fake one does not come with any box, just comes in this plastic bag. No accessories, nothing like that. No shoehorn, no bag, just in a plastic bag. So open these up, and you can smell the glue straight away. It's very, very strong. So here's your first look at a real and fake pair of the LAMINE YAMAL F50. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this video helps you. Let's dive into the comparison. So we're going to take a look at both right pairs first, and there's a difference in the actual colour of both of them. So you'll see they are a pinky purple, and it's designed by LAMINE YAMAL. This is the colourway he wanted to pick. And if we look at the transition at the front of the toe box, so here's the retail one first. You can see a tiny little bit of purple at the front, but it goes to majority of pink at the front of the toe box here. If I show you the fake one, hold this up to the camera, show you side by side, you can see the fake one is far more purple. So the purple transition of colour goes pretty much up to here, then it starts to go pink. Whereas if we look at the retail one here, you can see the purple goes to about there, and then it starts to go pink. So comparison side by side, you should hopefully be able to see a colour difference. Much more purple on the fake pair compared to the retail, and it shows up on the overall boot. Makes this retail one look just a lot more pink than the fake one, where it looks a lot more purple. Spinning it to the side, you can actually get an idea of the construction of the boot. So if you look underneath the three Adidas stripes here, you can pretty much see the webbing of the boot actually underneath, as you can see the upper material. If we look at the fake one, you can see the webbing's actually a little bit different. So if I turn it to the side here, you can see gaps in the webbing of the side of the boot. You can see the material cut is actually very different. It's actually much thicker and not as flexible as it is on the retail one. The retail one, it actually kind of morphs to your foot a little bit better. It's softer compared to the fake one, where this is really quite thick and almost feels like a very hard rubber plastic compared to the softer material used on the retail one. When I was talking about the colours and the actual pink of the retail one, it's quite easy to see around the sock liner. So you'll see here, very obviously a pink in colour, matches that of the heel cup. Very, very bright pink around the back. And then if we look at the fake one, they're both dead stock. Look how almost dirty it looks. Looks like a dirty purpley pink. It looks like it's been worn before. It does not match that of the heel cup. The colour is completely wrong. Spinning it to the side, looking at the three Adidas stripes, hopefully we'll be able to see this. This is the retail one here. You can see transitions from this kind of gold to purple all the way to this very, very bright pink at the top of the three Adidas stripes. Looking at the fake one, it does have the pink, but I promise you, hopefully you can see it on the camera, it's not as bright. Much bolder and brighter on the retail one here compared to the fake one, which is a little bit more dull. And also the gold the stripes are the wrong color gold. Hopefully that shows up on the camera as well. This is like a true proper gold, whereas this is more of a yellow gold on the fake one. It doesn't look right on the 3D stripes. When I talked about the upper material and how the boot's made, there's a clear difference here. So on the heel cup here, you'll see this pink material going around here. You can see no embroidery pretty much. It looks cleanly done all the way around the boot. If I show you the fake one, small details like this that you're going to have to look out for. You can see there is an embroidered stitch mark on this going around. This should not be there. It does not occur on the retail one, but you can see it clear as day on the fake one. This is wrong, it's incorrect. You're going to have to look at these tiny details. Looking at the two sock-like materials, because this is a laceless boot, when you put it on, you want it to fit your foot and not slip off. I'd say that the elastic on the retail one here is very strong, goes back into position pretty easily. Whereas on the fake one, I'd say this is a much looser stretch. Like I can stretch this way further. It's not the same quality. So I would imagine that if you wear this, it's not going to feel good on your feet. It's going to slip off. It's not going to feel like it wraps your foot or anything like that. This is incredibly loose. The flexibility is all over the place. Looking at the details on the side here, here is the retail one. Look at this pink section here going around the back. It's a very subtle pink section, but looks really good and adds colour to the side of the boot. The fake one, however, isn't very subtle. So you'll see the details on the side are much more visible, easier to see, which, I don't know, it makes it like a two-tone boot when it should just be one blended pink boot altogether. Spinning the boots to the back and taking a look at the heel cup, you can see it does have a pink heel cup on the back and it offers some sort of shine. It's like a shimmering effect to it. If we look at the fake one, they've gone for like a matte colour, completely wrong colour at the back there, which is incorrect. On the heel as well, because it's an elite boot, it needs to have a lot of padding and comfort, which these do, and I have to say the F50 is actually pretty comfy at the heel. The fake one, however, they've got a little bit of padding, but it's definitely not as cushioned as it is on the retail pair. On the left side of both boots, so you will get the 304, which is iconic on the inside there, and you will see this one is in a gold. If we look at the fake one, they've tried to replicate this in the gold. The gold is the wrong colour, and also the text size is wrong. It's smaller on the fake one compared to the retail one, where it stands out and is a little bit more stretched. Spinning the boots to the back and looking at the Adidas logo, you should hopefully be able to see a colour difference between the two. Much lighter colour on the back of the retail one here compared to the fake one where they've gone for a darker. Also the spacing between the Adidas logo, you can see the gaps are much wider on the fake one compared to the retail one here. Spinning both upside down and taking a look at both sole plates, they've actually done a relatively good job here. However, I would say the transition's a little bit different. So on the retail one here, the transition's a little bit higher up here. You can see where it changes from pink to white. Whereas if we look at the fake one, it's slightly lower. Should be able to see it if I compare it side by side. It's pretty close. The color is also a little bit off. It's more of a yellowy gold shimmer effect on top compared to the more pink effect that is on the retail one here. Taking a look inside the boots, retail one does come with a paper shoe tree. The fake one comes with a fake accessory bag, which is incorrect. Should not be in a black. And then if we take the insoles out, so they do come with a speed insole inside. Like I said, fake one doesn't come with any accessories, so it's just one insole inside. Looking at the insole, there's a clear difference in colour. So they've gone for like an old blue colour on the fake one compared to the retail one. And also clear difference is, look at the logo size. Very obvious difference between the two. And also the pattern underneath. Just check this if you have a pair in hand. The pattern should look like this on the underside of the insole, and not like this. And the final difference I'm going to point out is on the inside of the boot. So here's the retail one. You can see the front section is a white, and then you've got the back section, which is kind of like a pink. And then if we look at the fake one, they've just chucked any material in here. So the back section is a white, and the front section is black, which is completely wrong. I'm not really sure why they've done that. I'm not going to point out the differences on the left boot because they're exactly the same as the right. However, hopefully this video has helped you if you are trying to authenticate your pair. Very expensive, very rare, but absolutely stunning. Check those out. Don't often see a pink boot like this, and I think they're absolutely incredible. Really happy to have them in my collection. But thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Helps me do more comparisons like this and helps the channel grow. Hope you have an amazing day. If you want shorter content, follow me on TikTok. Thanks for watching. This is the LAMINE YAMAL F50 comparison.